Is that not the ugliest suitcase you've ever saw? That's shocking, isn't it? It's just shocking. Our driver's running away from us. Slow down, fella. Tell you what, it's not cold. Slow down, mate. Jesus. Well, we can settle this early on. Greek people, maybe the nicest on the planet. They're so friendly. Yeah, this'll do. This'll do. Oh, I thought I was going to sink a bit more than that, to be honest. Oh, it's a bit windy. Just realised I haven't even introduced where we are. Welcome back to another vlog, everyone. Welcome to Mykonos. They're absolutely everywhere, and I'm allergic. Look! Gonna get lost here. Bit breezy. Get out of it. For the record, I don't bully cats. Windmills. There's no way this could go right. Ah! Get in. Yes, get in. He's rapid, mate. Oh my God, Jesus. Oh. You alright, mate? I feel like Meryl Streep's just gonna like burst out the doors. Dancing Queen may be just the best song ever invented. We're not in Cavos. I just smell kebab. What is that? What is that? I love an egg and ham omelette. Boy, that was a lot of drinking last night. Oh, what a day. This is going to be interesting. What size is this helmet? We're on Mushroom Head. I am speed. Oh, this helmet stopped to my skull, strapped up with a GoPro. No messing about today. Now I see why I've been brought here. I'm so excited for this beach, you know. It's so clear. Don't mind if I do. A funny thing about where we are, so the sunbed we have is 30 euros for a day, right? So 2 sunbeds, 30 euros, 15 euros each for a day. We're literally sat there. There's another beach club there next door, 300 euros for a sunbed. They are literally about 20 meters apart. 330. It's just nonsense. Fish are friends, not food. Got myself a protein smoothie and a nice little Greek salad. Okay, so this is happening. so sick. I feel battered. That was unreal, I was like, what's going on here? Just tipped it off. I bet I look ridiculous. Who needs an oxygen tank or a snorkel? Me, I'm dying.
I think he might be drowning.
All done at that beach. By far one of the nicest beaches I've ever been to. Did say I'd do like a beach tour. We've done 2 beaches, that counts. Time to head back on the quad now, have a bit of fun. Oh yes. Late night pool sesh. The Greek Isles are known for their amazing sunsets. Get some drinks in, then off some food, and then another messy night. Let's go. It's another kitty. We made it. Amazing, thank you.
Have a nice time, guys.
That just looks sexy. Oh yeah.
To all my lonely nights, I love you, baby.
C'est comme si demain alors qu'ils vont. Alors demain ils disent à rap, tu peux pas faire ta truc parce qu'il y a.
I wish I was.
I'm being serenaded. I don't think I could ever get tired of these streets. It's absolutely roasting. Oh, I actually kind of rate them. They are definitely sesh goggles. Mint choc chip is the only correct answer. Watching me eat ice cream probably isn't the best content, but I don't care. I'm in heaven. It's a watermelon. I do love watermelon. If you go to any Greek island, you'll find that everywhere. Look, everywhere. Time for another sunset bar. Got a bloody bed. Not helpful. Mate, why have they not set an Assassin's Creed here? All done with that sunset bar, it was absolutely fantastic. Time to get a bit of food now, our last meal. And then it's home time tomorrow. Me no likey. I fancy a bit of seafood.
No bones, you need just food, nothing.
Yeah. Fishy. And just like that, our last night is complete. Lovely sunset bar, bit of food, and that is our time in Mykonos done. To the people of Mykonos, thank you. It has been unreal. But yeah, now it's time to head home. I'm not happy. Hello you. Hello you. So I'm back from Mykonos, had an absolutely fantastic time. If you ever get the opportunity to go, or you're like wondering where to go on holiday, honestly give the Greek... What you playing at? That scared me, not gonna lie. But yeah, as I was saying, definitely give the Greek Isles a go. They are absolutely stunning. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hit the like button if you did. I reply to all comments, or any questions you may have, then just send them on down. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll be back very shortly with another video. Take care everyone, and goodbye.